I'm talking about living in the present and being mindful. There is a mindful meal. You need to chew slowly. Take a bite. Taste. If you start Thanksgiving dinner at noon and you're done by 12:10, like our family usually is, are you really being mindful of the food? Take a deep breath. And one of the tips is to eat with chopsticks. And one of the Pray It Off members sent me all these chopsticks over the summer, so I thanked her for it. Eat with your non-dominant hand. Chew your food 30 to 50 times. I tried it. It takes forever. Try it though. Eat without TV. Talk to your spouse or your loved ones. And then I've included in here a mindful eating questionnaire that's very powerful. And some of the questions are, I'm unaware that I'm hungry or full until sometime after the fact. I'm stressed out. I eat when I'm not hungry. I rush when I eat. I beg you to take this quiz at home and you can get your score and see where you fall and see what areas you can improve in. Going to stop right there, Bob.